Hey guys, welcome back to another G35 video. This is a 2008 G35 and this is the headlight type that it has. And today we're going to be working on these fog lights. So one of my fog lights burned out. Just this side right here is not working, as you can see. So what we're going to do is we're going to change them to the yellow style. This is the regular Hooligan style. So I ordered some LED ones. They're supposed to be very yellow and very bright technically. So this company is called Vansci or something like that. Love your car lighting expert. Your loved car lighting expert. Anyways, come individually packed. Alright guys, and these are 9006 HB4, I guess, fog lights. I think that's what this car requires. So here's what they look like. This looks like a plastic chrome looking thing. So it looks like they do adjust the light pattern just in case we need to. It did come with a wrench right there, Allen wrench, to adjust that. By the way, the link in the description where I bought these on Amazon. Now we have to figure out how to get to the bulb. So after looking at it for a while, I know some people remove the shroud here and try to get it from there. But I think that if you just remove the air filters, you can get it from the top. So I think this will be an easier job for me, so that's what I'm going to do. So we're going to change this one first because it's burned out, and then we're going to compare them from the original to the new 3K yellows. Alright guys, so I got this bolt out. I got this thing loose here, the strap. I unplugged the O2 sensor. I unhooked the wire from this little box part bracket. So now technically it should just go straight up. Let's see. Okay, it is moving. Okay, I think I have to get it off the hose first actually. Alright guys, I need two hands. Once this bops out, it comes out real easy after that. So there we go. You can see the filter. Look at that. So now we should have plenty of room here to work on whatever we got to work on. Which is that bulb right there. I don't know if you guys can see. Right there, that brown one. That's our fog light. Okay guys, so I unplugged the plug from it. It wasn't too hard. And then I started twisting it to take it off. So I don't know if I can. My hand will be in the way probably, but. Anyway, here's the bulb. You can see it came out of that hole right there. Let's see how it compares to the ones we bought. Looks very similar. It's 9006. You can see right there it says 9006. So awesome. So now let's put this back in. Alright guys, so there's a small issue. Basically whenever this bulb goes in there, let me just show you out here. When it goes in there like this, and then it twists like this sideways. So and this thing is out of line. So what I need to do is unscrew this and turn this main LED part sideways because the bulb actually sits kind of like this. So it's like on an angle, crooked. So, but I need to twist this where it's straight up because you can see the reflectors are on the side here. So the reflector needs to be like this. So the plan is to turn this thing a little bit. Alright guys, so all you're going to do is just unscrew this little Allen wrench thing on the jigger. And then it should, yeah, it's spinning pretty easy actually. I'd probably need it about right here. So I'm just going to guess. And then I'm going to put it in there and look how it looks. But let me show you guys how that looks like now. So it's like off. So whenever I twist it in there, hopefully it'll be right at the right angle. So that's the plan. So I'm going to try that out right now. Actually guys, after playing with the bulb a little more, I realized that this was actually metal. It's just chrome on top of metal. So it's not just cheap plastic, it's actually pretty good quality chrome. Alright guys, so the new bulb is in and plugged in. So now it's a moment of truth to see what it looks like. Alright guys, and here it is. Looks like the beam is really good. Very bright. As you can see, looks awesome. Here's the stock one. So at night, this should make a huge difference. That actually looks really nice, guys. It's actually more goldy. It's got like this gold look to it, more than yellow, I would say. So I'm gonna go ahead and change the other side too. So we're done here. So all we gotta do is just put this guy back. And you can see there's these things, they go in those two holes down there, just like that. So, and this goes in the pipe. So not too hard, just take your time. This actually is the easiest way. So alright guys, this box is back on. This box is out from here. As you can see, it was actually the same way exactly, pretty easy. Pull it out of here and then it just pops right out. I did forget to mention that there's another pipe here that this thing has to go in right here. Same thing on the other one too. So it's a little bit tricky, just kind of fiddle it around and it'll drop in there, so not too hard. So, and this just kind of moves out of the way, it's rubber. So anyways, let's look in here. And so I'm gonna go ahead and unplug that, take that out, and put the new one in, and then we'll have both of them on. Alright guys, so the other one is on and plugged in. Alright guys, I'm gonna see if I can film putting the bags back on. Basically it just goes in just like that, and then you kind of stretch this pipe over to fit the plastic in, just like that. And once you get it to this point where it's just sitting in there and it's inside the rubber, then you just kind of wiggle it around to get it into its place, which is basically where it's at right now. So this one clicked in real easy, as you can see. So this, now I'm just going to tighten this, put the bolt in here, tighten that, and then put this back on here. Just clips right there, and then just plugs in right here, and that's it. And then you're done. Hey guys, it's dark now. Check out my other video for this Infiniti ghost lights here on the door. Look pretty cool. Anyways, the car is parked. Let's go ahead and turn on the headlights and see what happens. It's the parking lights, and there goes the headlights. Fortunately, I can't turn on and off the fog lights with the headlights, but you can tell the difference right there. It's actually quite a bit of difference. That looks so good. Alright guys, I'm going to back up the car a little bit just so I can show you a little better. Oh yeah, by the way, here's the backup camera. Check out that video also. Hopefully you can see, guys. It's pretty yellow. I don't know if you can see it or not, though. Overall, I'm really happy. Alright guys, so that'll be it for this video. If you want to get these fog lights, they'll leave a link in the description. Check out my other videos on this car. And thanks for watching. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.